Good day everyone, this is Coach Arlie Rodriguez. I'm celebrating my 70th birthday with my loved ones. Rick, kumay. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Wala ka pa naman wish eh.
Tita Met, blow na. Blow. Ipan mo.
Nanay na.
Hi, Alan. Good afternoon. Hi. Good afternoon, Aral.